So today we are starting McCulloch-Pitts neuron network, है ना? तो McCulloch-Pitts neuron, it is the name of the scientist. Actually, the Warren McCulloch scientist developed the McCulloch neuron, the simplest neuron, and its function in 1943, just for the purpose of formalism and elegant and mathematical definitions. So in this, the McCulloch-Pitts neuron model, it is highly simplified and based on biological model. So it is also based on 0 and 1. Last class I told about binary and bipolar, है ना? Bipolar already I have explained, and the formula of bipolar, how it will become bipolar. So this neuron will act on binary, that is 0 and 1, and this will be a single neuron. I mean there will be no in between layer. So the neurons are connected by direct weighted path. There will be inputs and output. Output means neuron, and there will be a weight for each input. So the connected path can be excitatory and inhibitory. ठीक है? So in this ये या तो this will be either it will be external or internal. I mean internal, external means from that will there will be only one neuron, means there will be only one layer, that is from x1 to y, and inhibitory means there will be middle level, means there will be a hidden layer that will be from there, that x1 to z1 and z1 to y1. So the neuron is associated with threshold value. So from y input there will be a threshold value, and that y will we will calculate y. So this is the structure, you can see. See here, the structure is the simplest structure is this x1, x1, x2 and y input. So from x1 to y input, x2 to y input. There can be many inputs. So here it is y, and here it is activation function. So, and for each x there will be a weight. For x1 w1, for x2 w2. So here now we suppose that x1 is equal to, we have analyzed that x1 is equal to 1 and w1 is equal to 1. x1 is equal to 1 and w2 is equal to 1. ठीक है? So what will be the y input? Y input is equal to x1 w1 plus x2 w2. क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे? 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1. There will be 2. ठीक है? What about the threshold value? The given threshold value is 2. यहाँ देखो नीचे है ना, इस पे यहाँ पे क्या है, ये given threshold value ये given threshold value is 2. So अगर 2 से यहाँ पे ये this value is 2 and threshold value क्या है 2 है. So अगर 2 से ज्यादा होगा और इक्वल होगा तो क्या होगा, it will return. So y is equal to function of activation of y input is equal to, yeah, which is this 2 is greater than equal to threshold value, that is theta, that is 2. So it is equal, so it will return 1. ठीक है, क्लियर हुआ, इज इट क्लियर, ठीक है. हाँ, now this is for the case of x1 is equal to 1 and x2 is equal to 1. Now suppose that if x1 is equal to 1, x1 is equal to 1 and x2 is equal to 0. And now we have changed the value, x1 is equal to 1 and x2 is equal to 0. Now y input is equal to x1 w1 and x2 w2. So 1 into 1 and 0 into 1. So what is the value? This is 1, and which is less than threshold value because threshold value is 2. So it is lesser than threshold value. So what will be the output? It will return to 0 because see here, if y will return 1 if threshold will be greater than equal to 2 and y will return to 0 if threshold value will be less than or equal to 0. ठीक है, less than, sorry, theta है ना. तो this is the theta means that is the 2. ठीक है, 1 is lesser than 2, so it will return to 0. Clear? Now third case, if x1 is equal to 0 and x2 is equal to 1. So x1 w1 and x2 w2. So 0 into 1 and 1 into 1. So it is again, it is 1 which is less than threshold value. So it will also return y is equal to 0. ठीक है. Now you see fourth case, that is this, x1 is equal to 0 and x2 is equal to 0. So क्या x1 w1 x2 w2, 0 into 1 0 into 1, that is 0. So it is less than 2 threshold value, so y will return 0. ठीक है. Now if you can imagine what happens in the AND gate. AND gate, x1 x2 and y. If x1, this is 1 1, what will be the output of AND gate? It is 1. If it is 1 and 0, 0. If it is 0 and 1, 0. And if it is 0 and 0, 0. है ना? So अभी जो हम लोगों ने केस देखा, सी इन फर्स्ट केस see here, in first case क्या था, x1 and x2 was 1 1, ठीक है, and y was 1. So here when x1 was 1 1, आउटपुट क्या मिला हम लोग को, y कितना मिला, ये 1 मिला ना, ठीक है. So this output after calculation, after applying the mathematical formula, क्या ये प्रूफ हुआ कि फर्स्ट एंड गेट में इफ द x1 एंड x2 is 1 1, then आउटपुट क्या होता है, 1 होता है. सो अगर हम यहाँ पे इनपुट इस मैकुलोपिट्स न्यूरॉन में अगर हम ये x1 और ये x2 1 1 दें, W1 1 1 दें, तो हमारा क्या निकलेगा, हम लोग का ऑलवेज ये y मैच करेगा, है ना. हमारा जो टारगेट वैल्यू क्या था, y था, y का वैल्यू क्या था, 1 था. सो टारगेट वैल्यू 1 से हमारा क्या, ये कंडीशन मैच हो गया, ठीक है ना. सेकंड केस क्या था, 1 एंड 0. तो जब 1 एंड 0 था तो y हमारा टारगेट वैल्यू क्या था, हमारा 0 था, है ना. जब ये 1 1 था, 1 1 था तो y 1 था, और जब 1 एंड 0 था तो क्या हो गया, ये 0. और जब 0 एंड 1 है तो ये आउटपुट भी 0 होगा,